Welcome to the front of me Vivo V23, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound section. Now just to change the ringtone volume of your device, you should swipe this blue dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. By this way, oh, what's going on here? So by this way we can change the ringtone volume of our Vivo V23. And also we can do it by the second way. Just first be sure that here in volume buttons control you got selected ringtone, not the media. And now just by press your up or down volume button you can also change your device ringtone volume. And also you can do it by third way, just by use this volume panel with your finger. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.